we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's break things down. So from the beginning, you can walk onto a dance floor from any direction you like. But today our dancer is going to walk from the front, or from the audience. And leader, you'll be on the left side of your partner, followed by on the right side. So we're going to walk onto the dance floor for 8 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on count 7 and 8, leader, you're going to draw a circle counterclockwise with your right hand. So you draw a circle to get your partner to turn to her left, 7, 8, and then we'll switch hand. So now leader, you should be holding your partner's right hand with your left hand, and you'll be facing your audience. Okay. So after this, we have another set of 8, and follower, you're just going to simply walking around, or like making a circle around into your dance partner. Okay, so follower go walk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice you have 8 counts to do that, so take your time and just have fun with it. And then for the next set of 8, we're going to be doing some step tapping and rotating in place. So leader, you're going to start with your left foot, follower, you're going to start with the right foot. So we go step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Good. Now, so we have 4 step taps, and then at the end of this, you should be, leader, you should be facing the back of the dance floor, follower, you should be facing the front, and we are in a outside partner position. So what that means is, follower, you should be on your partner's right side, shoulder to shoulder, okay? And now, leader, we're gonna do a lean. So leader, you're gonna take a step out to the left, make sure to bend your left knee, but keeping your right leg straight. And then we're gonna do a lean on 1, 2, and then we'll come up on 3, 4, and then leader, you're gonna bring your partner's right hand up and draw a circle clockwise, 5, 6, and 7, 8 into the dance position. Now let's talk about the lean a little bit more. So when we're in a position, before we get into lean, make sure we are staying really close to each other. Our hips should be touching, okay? And then leader, stay connected to your partner here, but simply taking a step out. So notice I'm not moving my upper body, I'm staying upright, shoulders are rolled back, my core is engaged. I'm staying connected to my partner with my hands here, also supporting her with my right arm. Follower, when you do that, make sure, again, stay connected to your partner, and so also for your upper body, you want to stay upright, engage your core, and you have the option to bring your arm up like this. If you feel more comfortable, you can stay connected to your partner's arm. It's up to you. Okay, so we have 2 counts here. We go 1, 2, on count 3, 4, we just come up, 3, 4. And then leader, you're going to go ahead and turn your partner on 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Great.